How to amend a tax return with H&R Block. Hi guys, in this video I will be putting you through how you can amend a tax return with H&R Block. And how do you do this? The first step is to log in into your H&R Block account and locate your dashboard, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, this is how the page looks like. You would see a welcome address, and then you see the option get started with your taxes. This is if you've not finished setting up your account. For me, my account is still under setup. That's why it's like this. But for you, ensure you set up all of your account for you to be able to amend a tax return. Now, once you set up your account here, you would see several options, and then the next step for you on amending a tax return is to go to the overview of the products on HR Block Online. So this is HR Block Online. So the next step is to go to the overview of the product. That is the products whose tax you would want to amend. All right. So once you've selected the product and then you've on the products page, the next step is to select the option file and amended return. All right, once you've selected the product, you see other options. Okay, ensure you select the option file and amended return. Now after selecting that option, you'll be directed to another page where you would see a list of instructions showcasing how that tax can be amended. All right, so just ensure you read through the files, read through the instructions, and then from there your tax return would be amended. So it is that simple. All right, go ahead and try it out today. Thanks for watching.